This video I will show you how you can enable and disable the USB port in your computer. So I will connect my USB and will show you how to enable and disable. I connected my USB. Now you can see it here. It's a removable disk. You can see it here. Now I'm going to disable so it will be disappeared from here. So for doing that one, go to your start menu and you can write here. I'll show you can write here device manager. You can write here device manager. Device manager. Go to device manager and you can see here the universal. You can see here the universal bus controller. Click here, double click, and you can see here USB mass storage device. Click here. Now we clicked on the USB mass storage device. Come here, action. You can disable from here. Select yes. Now we will go back and I will show you it will be disappeared. You can see it is disappeared now. If you want to enable, start the same procedure. Go to start menu. Go to start menu. Right here, device manager. Select USB mass storage. You have to select USB mass storage. Go to action. You can enable it here. You can see it here. It's came again. So this is how you can enable and disable. Thank you for watching.